We're at the Microsoft Nokia Lumia launch event here at IFA 2014, where Microsoft just announced the Nokia Lumia 830, the most affordable flagship smartphone, they call it. It's 5-inch screen, 1280 by 720 screen, and aimed at a price point of 339 euros in Europe. Let's just take a quick look around the device. On the back there, this is one of the key features here. One of the smallest optical stabilized 10 megapixel cameras you'll find. There's actually no bump, or very, very little bump on the back of the screen there, you can see that. But OIS 10 megapixel Zeiss lens on the camera. That's one of the main features here. On the front, it's a 5-inch screen, 1280 by 720. Wide viewing angles. It's not an OLED screen as far as I can tell. It still looks pretty bright and pretty good. So inside we've got a Snapdragon quad-core 400 series CPU, 16 gigs of storage, 1 gig of RAM, and this one's actually running Nokia Lumia Denim, which is the next generation of Lumia, which brings quite a few improvements, including fast camera support and dynamic flash, which is a really interesting feature, which takes a non-flash photo whenever you take a flash photo. So you get a kind of HDR capability in processing. You can actually feed in the flash through software processing. Makes a very interesting post-processing effect. So you've got all the usual suspects here. It's an LTE capable phone. We've got NFC, and I'm not seeing anything new or very new on there. Just quickly going through the settings there so you can have a quick glance at the settings there. Layout on the right there is camera button, power button and volume rocker switch as expected. And then looking at the top, you've got headset port and micro USB, and in the background you see some different coloured backs there, so green and orange, pretty crazy colours you got there. There's a couple of new accessories as well. There's an NFC enabled wireless charging pad. There's also an NFC enabled mirrorcast unit as well, which allows you to do screen sharing. We've seen those in the presentation today. Look quite interesting. Not sure the prices on those. So that's the Nokia Lumia 830, launching in Europe at 339 euros. So expect a street price, I guess, 299 by Christmas, which makes it very, very interesting pricing for this quality of phone. Certainly feels good, feels light. 133 grams, I believe it is, and pretty thin when you compare it to other phones, which have, you know, the optical stabilizer lens, which makes all the difference when you're doing photography. There again is the 1020 next to the Lumia 830. So we're at the Nokia Lumia 830 launch event here at IFA Berlin 2014. Thanks for watching.